Hey everybody, we're back again. Lots of customers, busy again today. We just had Chase Wright in from Wright Moving Company, great guy. Came in to check out the store. Make sure you go down and pay their consignment shop and their shop a visit. They're really awesome people. So make sure you give them some business over the holidays. They're great people. So, all right. So I promised we were going to do some pallets. We're going to do 2 pallets, and I've got them off the truck. One of them's in the shop, the other one's outside. So we'll do the one that's inside first, and then we are going to turn around and we'll end the live. We'll go get another pallet, bring it in, and I'll start a live up again doing the second pallet. The second pallet has got some really good stuff on it. This one, I can see what's on the top, but we really haven't gone through much. So you guys are going to get to see pretty much everything in this pallet at the same time that we're seeing it. Now I pulled a couple boxes off the top, and I'll show you what's in those, because I did open those up. All right, so we have these right here. These are classic blue shutters. They go on your house. You can put them up on your house. They're really nice. We actually have several of these. I think we have 3 more boxes down in the storage units of those. If you are shipping stuff, we have these bubble mailers. They're 4x7, and we have 3 full boxes of them. Each box has a quantity of 500. So if you're selling on eBay, you're selling online, you need mailers, we have you covered on 4x7s. We got these stools. There's a set of 2, chrome finish. They're adjustable stools. The seat spins up on them. This was all on top of this pallet. And like I said, if you see anything that you want, immediately comment on the video, and we'll set it to the side. I'll put a sticky note on it with your name on it, and Clarissa or I will comment on how much it is. Okay, so let's get started on this. These are kind of cool. These are stackable, small space, big opportunity, stackable gardening things. You can look them up if you want. Looks cool. We have several of them, it looks like. No, there's the second one. And when we're doing the pallets, so you guys know, it's time consuming, because as I'm pulling it out, I'm sorting it, and it can be, I haven't looked in this box. A lot of the boxes we get are, oh, this is cool. All right, this is a good one. If you're looking for a good Christmas gift, this is brand new. Still has the plastic on it. It is a Tony Hawk Signature Series skateboard. And I will tell you right now that this will not last long. Our skateboards go really, really fast. So if you're wanting something like that, we have it in the shop today. Landon, look this up. No, you can do what you're doing for right now. So that was a good find. That was really cool. We get these all the time. If you ever want a My Pillow, we get tons of these. So that's fun. And just so you know, little tip that most people don't know is, if you see the throw pillows that are around the shop, they are probably stuffed with My Pillow for the pillows inside of them, because we get so many of them. You know, instead of using them, putting them out here for sale, we usually stuff them in the sham pillows. So you're getting a really high-end My Pillow inside of a pillow sham. Another nice sham pillow, Euro pillow. This is cool. Hammock chair. We've had several of these in the shop. They're always asked for. So if you guys, anybody wants them, we sell them for about 20 bucks. And so today you're looking at 15 with the 25% discount. We have a quick chair with a shade. That's cool. In the case. That's a nice Christmas gift. Somebody used for camping. Everybody loves camping here. More of these. That's fun. If you want to grow a garden, like a herb garden or something inside, I think this would be a really cool thing, especially if you live in an apartment or something like that where you have very limited space. I think these would be pretty awesome. I don't know what they retail for. You can look them up. You can tell me what they retail for online. If you come in and get it while we are breaking down the pallet, I tell people, we'll typically give you 50% off of retail. I'm going to have Landon hold my phone, but let's find out what's in this one. This is a Windsor Box. What is this? Certified. Oh, look at this. A refurbished Parrot Drone. Okay, so this is going to be a high-end item. This is really awesome. Had no idea what was in this box. Absolutely an awesome Christmas gift. We'll have this one priced out. It'll probably be up on our website or here in the shop. Yeah, so that's a fun find. That stuff like, oh my gosh, we have a second one. We have two of them. Two drones, and for anybody that's wondering, the Tony Hawk skateboard, I was just told it's going to be in the shop for about 10-12 bucks. So if you're wanting it, we've been getting a lot of this brand of workout gear lately. Peloton, we're getting a ton of their stuff. We had a heart rate monitor, and we've got a bunch of other stuff, ankle weights. This is a bike mat. I'm guessing it's a pretty big brand, or a pretty high quality brand. They seem like they've been shipping a lot of stuff lately, so that'll be a good one if you have a stationary bike in your house set up. There you go. Okay, so I'm gonna have to have, oh, this is cool. For the girls, adult card game. Let's see, what do we got here? So this is for like a girls' night. These are cool. What do they say on the cover? Adult party games. There you go. You can see we've at least got 4 of these. We might have more in another one of the pallets or something. So that's something cool. If you want to do a girls' night, we got you covered for a good game. All right, I'm gonna have Landon come hold my phone while I get this out. So we actually have 2 of these. If you know anybody that has a baseball, softball batting cage, this is batting cage netting. These are very expensive. They run about $1,000, some of them up to $1,500, $1,800. If you know anybody who needs some, we have 2 of them. We have this one here. I have one down in the storage unit. On these, we'll charge 50% of whatever the retail value of it is. So you're going to get it for $400 or $500, maybe even a little cheaper than that. So if you know anybody, send them our way, or bring them out. If you bring them out personally, we're going to give you a 10% in-store commission on referring somebody for big purchases like this. Landon, can you come hold my phone for a second? You guys will get to see me struggle to get this out of this pallet. I'm going to have Landon hold the phone. Okay, so there's that. So now we're kind of looking, we're down to some stuff. We get, some of these pallets are really good. You know, we got the Parrot drones off of here. We're going to get to a few other things that kind of look like dud stuff. These are actually kind of good. These are for stores. They're display racks. Maybe we'll use them here in the shop at some point. We have a bunch of them now. That is the disappointing thing sometimes with these pallets is when we get stuff like this that, you know, it's like this angle bracket. We get assorted things like this all the time. There's value in it to the right person, but it's not something we will put in the shop because the likelihood that it'll sell is really low And we want to leave room for good inventory that people like and that will move fast. So that's one of the reasons we're able to do what we do and buy so much, is because, for one, we have great customers that are out here all the time. Let's go ahead and just cut that tape. Open this up. So we'll get, let's see what these are. Oh, these go on the sides of your car, by your window. I'm not sure what kind of car they fit. It looks like, no, never mind. But these will go over your window like that, give you a little sunshade. We've got a bunch of them. And, oh boy, this is cool. Okay, so we have, I'm gonna take a minute and I'm gonna go grab something off the shelf. This is really awesome. And we've got lots of customers in here today, but let me work my way through. So we have these Jengas. We've had a pretty big stack of them. They've been moving pretty fast with Christmas coming up. So this is our Fortnite Jenga, your regular size. And let me show you what this bag is. So the bag's a little hammered, and that sucks, and they've taped it at some point. But this is an extra large Jenga set, and it is huge. It is awesome. Look at this. So if you want a really fun Jenga set, we got you covered. I'll have Clarissa get a price on this as soon as she can. And you guys, if anybody wants a huge Jenga set, we'll clean it up. We'll pull all the tape off of it, fix the zipper, and yeah, make a great Christmas gift, or even just, family time's up. People are spending a lot of time with families, so that'll make a really good family thing. We have legs for something. More corner brackets. More legs. And this looks like a piece of an exercise machine, or, I bet those legs, no, they're not the right size, but anyway, we'll figure out what it is. They'll probably be in the shop. It is a piece of workout equipment. I recognize that brand. For now, we'll set it right here. Okay. Blankets. Cotton bait fleece blankets in mushrooms. And it looks like we have a bunch of them. So I'm going to put these over here in a box. A couple more. So Landon's going to look up the Jenga for you, Stephanie. And just so you guys know, Stephanie and her husband, they've been coming in here from day one. They've been great customers. We really appreciate them. We appreciate all of you guys, your referrals. Okay, so we have a ton of these fleece cotton blankets. Cotton Bay fleece blankets. They're actually not bad. They'd make a nice little blanket for a guest room, or if you have an Airbnb and you want a bunch of matching blankets, they'd work great for it. So this is the other thing we get. These are sanitary napkins that you lay down on a bed, and we get tons of these. I cannot tell you how many boxes of these that we have. On the Jenga, we're looking at about $45 on the price on it. So if you want that, just let us know, Stephanie. If you know anybody who needs these, for a care facility, for kids under the beds. These are great, and we have a ton. We don't keep them here at the shop. They're just next door at the storage units, but we have tons of them. This actually won't go into be inventoried. We'll just take it down and put it back in the shop. These are for wood projects. They're just a pine round. These ones are pretty hammered. We've had them in the past, and we actually sold all of them. But they're kind of cool. They're good for projects if you can picture a project on that. Let's see here. Looks like we have a couple more zero gravity chairs. And I'm going to come back over here. Sand these to Landon. And what is this? A Works 26-gallon collapsible yard bag. That's cool. Picking up leaves, stuff like that. Put it on the porch as a garbage can. That'll be good. More of the sunshades for a car. It looks like there's a full set. It looks like it's a set for a 4-door car. And it looks like we had the whole thing. Closed for cleaning sign. If you own a restaurant or somewhere that has a bathroom and you need closed for cleaning sign, we got you covered. Like I said earlier, we only charge 50% to our local businesses on business supplies. We handle all that different. Now these are cool. And it looks like we have 1, 2, 3, we've got 4 of these. These are awesome. Let me show you what these do. So these are called a Magna Cart, and this handle, it expands up. You can flip that out. There you go. And yet, if you fold it up,
Can't figure out what's wrong with her.
very small, very tiny to fit in your car. Those are awesome. Stephanie, get a hold of me on Tuesday, and I'll let you know what we have and the pricing on all of them. We also have adult diapers, but these are cool. If you know anybody who needs a little dolly, I don't think they're heavy duty, but you know, if you're transporting packages like to the post office or FedEx or something, you need something in your car, these would be really awesome. And they're just so compact. And I think we have several sizes if I saw that right in here. No, they're all the same size, but they're, you know, they're, let me find out what else we got here. These are legs, definitely legs. 1 zero gravity chair and a Bass Pro Eclipse Cabela's chair. So, and then there's a couple baskets here. So I'm not too interested in baskets, but I know a lot of you ladies, you like baskets. These are cool. They look like they're in good shape too. Sometimes we get baskets like this and they're completely hammered, but these are actually in good shape. So we'll get those back to Lynn. So that's a pallet. That was an easy pallet. Wasn't a whole lot in this one. A lot of big items, which is good. It looks like we've got a lot of really good inventory to put in the shop. We have the Parrot drones. We'll charge them up. We'll test them out. They'll be here in the shop today, this afternoon. So come in and see us.